Welcome back to PSC Tech Bytes. Today I want to talk with you about how you can apply a custom theme to a SharePoint online site. In fact, from a developer perspective, whenever you want to create a custom theme, you can leverage a page provided by Microsoft, the theme generator page, through which you can create on the fly the definition of a color palette for a custom theme. This definition can be built starting from the selection of a main color, of a text color, and of a background color. What you will get back will be a palette definition that you can use to apply a custom theme to a target site or to create a custom theme at tenant level using either .NET Code, PowerShell, or the SharePoint Online REST API. However, in the PnP Sites Core library, we also provide the same capability without the need to use the web page of the theme generator. You can simply provide the three colors that I told you, so the main color, the text color, and the background color, to a utility class which will generate for you on the fly a theme definition that you can later on use in your code during provisioning of a site or just for the sake of applying that theme to an already existing site. So let me move to the demo environment and let me show you how you can do that in practice. So here we are in the SharePoint theme generator tool that I told you about, and through this tool you can configure the base colors of a theme that you want to generate on the fly. So for example, the primary color could be this blue, can be with a body text color of red, and with a background color of let's say yellow or green. Of course, I'm a developer, I'm not a designer, as you can see. But as you can see through this developer tool, this theme generator tool, you can see on the fly what will be the output of your theme, even if this one is really awful. And you can see from a .NET perspective, from a JSON perspective, and from a PowerShell perspective, what is the definition of the color palette that you can use to create such a theme. Well, you can use this information, as I said, in PowerShell, JavaScript, or .NET Code, but you can even do more. In fact, we have a bunch of REST APIs available in SharePoint Online, and through the Theme Manager REST APIs, you can add, delete, update, or get the inventory of all of the tenant themes, as well as you can apply a theme onto a target site. In order to apply a theme, you need to make a REST request to this REST API to apply on the fly a custom theme to a site. Now we have a modern communication site which is based on the violet color with a white background and with a black body text color, as you can see. Let's assume that we want to apply a custom palette based on the new teal color of SharePoint Online to this site. Well, using PnP Sites Core, we have first of all a theme utility class through which we have a getThemeAsJSON method that we can use in order to provide the primary color, the body text color, and the body background color. Those three colors have to be the RGB HTML colors, and you will get back a string which will be the color palette that you can get back from the theme generator tool as well. Moreover, we have a theme manager class that you can use to apply a theme to a target site using an extension method, as you can see. So, to make it more clear, I have a console application through which I'm connecting to a target site. I'm getting a JSON representation of a custom color theme based on three colors, the SharePoint Online teal, the black body text color, and the white body background color, and I apply on the fly that theme, that color palette, to my target website. So let me execute this application to show you what will happen. And first of all, we will have the color palette for our custom theme. And moreover, if I execute my code and I apply the theme to the target site, hopefully the result will be positive, and it is. And if I move back to my browser and I refresh the target site, as you can see now, the color palette and the theme of my site has been updated accordingly to the color palette that I provided. So, pretty easy and useful. You get the JSON representation of a theme using the getThemeAsJSON method of the theme utility, and you eventually apply that theme to a target web on the fly. And that's it. As usual, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.